Hello everyone, in this video, I am going to show you how you can get water in Icarus. Now if you're just starting out on the game and you chose a location where there's a lake nearby, you should just be able to approach the lake and then hold F to drink water from it. However, there are some risks to it as you can get some debuffs by doing this. Now, if you do want to store some water with you and by using the lake as a water source, over on the tech tree, over at the tier 2 level, which requires you to be at least level 10, you can find the water skin right here, which basically holds down water for you to place down inside your inventory. Now just hold down your water skin and just approach the water here, and then press F to fill the container. And as you can see, it's pretty much completely full. Now over on my second water skin right here, I can also do the same with a water purifier right here. If I press down F, it's now also filled down with much safer water. And that's pretty much about it on how to get water in Icarus.